Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the shot and preparing the layer so Mocha can see consistent features. This reduces drift later. Once your clip is in the comp, pre-compose any animated transforms and freeze effects that alter texture. Then, with the target layer selected, choose Animation, Track in Mocha AE. This opens Mocha with the layer already loaded. Make sure to set the image scale and frame range. Doing this now keeps track points stable and prevents rework down the line. Now you draw a tight X-spline or Bezier spline around a high contrast area. Edges and texture matter because Mocha tracks patterns, not points. Once done, pick the appropriate motion parameters. Translation only for simple moves, add rotation and scale for perspective changes, include shear for skew. Start tracking forward. If trackers slip, scrub back, adjust your spline, and nudge X-spline handles. This corrects bad frames. Repeat forward and backward until the planar solve reads clean and consistent across the shot. With a solid solve, export the tracking data using Layer, Export Tracking Data, and select Corner Pin, Transform, or After Effects Corner Pin depending on your goal. Back in After Effects, select the target layer and paste. Make sure to match frame offsets. Once pasted, scrub the timeline to confirm the track holds. If things look off, reopen Mocha, refine the spline, or use a tighter planar surface. One troubleshooting tip: if jitter appears, check clip scale or motion blur in comp settings. Mismatch causes subtle drift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.